My friends, it's Coach V. Guess what? I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today, stuffed up. I'm in Wisconsin. It's clear today, but the last few days have been a lot of smoke coming down from Canada. So I've been lethargic today. I've been laying around, moaning a bit, watching Back to the Future. Again, I don't feel that bad, but had this great idea of filming these 5 stretching exercises that always make me feel amazing. So do them in the morning when you want to wake up, when you want to feel better. If you're feeling under the weather, these are fantastic too. Get the blood flowing, get the awareness going, take your mind off the, oh. All right, make sure you click that like button and let me know which of these 5 was your favorite.
Boy, somebody around here has bad breath.
All right, number 1 is child's pose with a twist. Release the back, open up your breath. Feel those muscles turn into melted candles. We're gonna press back into child's pose and then drop your weight onto your left arm, pressing into the right hand. You got a little twist going there, that's good. Go to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. You can take the hands further forward if you like. You feel that beautiful looseness in the shoulders and the back. Let's do 3 more on each side. Stick your butt up in the air. I don't care. There's no one in this park. Just Addie. She has no shame. You should see what she was doing before we filmed. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna do an extra one here. Why not? Feels good. I've been sitting around today, so love coming out here, getting some vitamin D, some sun, some breezes. Now walk the hands up. A few shoulder rolls here. The second feel-good stretch of the century is the, I had to read that, the reverse scorpion. Reverse scorpion. Bring it down onto your stomach. Roll onto your left side. Bring the right leg forward. Let all the pieces come together. Extend that leg across or keep the knee bent. Let your right shoulder sink down. I'm right into the grass, Wisconsin grass. Who knows what's in here? And at your own speed, go back and forth. We get this huge twist for the spine, openness for the chest. For feeling lethargic or under the weather, we got to get that breath going, get the blood flowing. Let the body keep working, let it keep circulating. One more time each side. Hold it a little longer. Onto the side, right leg forward. You could extend and grab if you like. These all have built-in add-ons. You can just keep on moving. Keep on moving, my friends. Do them daily. Hold each one for 60 breaths. Reaching that arm out. This beats laying on the couch dozing and watching Back to the Future. Though Back to the Future is incredible. And other side. Let's see if Addie comes over to say hi. Left leg extend, rolling onto your right side. You got it, my friends. Reverse scorpion. Share these with somebody who's always lethargic, or they're under the weather. Maybe they have allergies. They need to move. They don't know where to start. Share these. These are fantastic. Oh, there you are over there. Okay. All right, bring it back to the center. Going into dynamic, amazing stretch of the century, number 3. We have the down dog walk. I do this daily. Did it at the gym yesterday in the back room at Anytime Fitness. Everyone else is looking at their phones, and I had this great flexibility training session. It was so nice. So we press back, here's down dog, and then walk the legs. Maybe you'll get this rhythm here. Let me show you from the front. As you walk the legs, the upper body is going to move with it. Left knee down, left shoulder comes across, or left heel down rather, left knee down. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Lots of breath, my friends. Let that spine heal itself. You want that spine to decompress, especially if you're just not feeling it today. Some blood to the brain. Let's do 2 more each side because it's so good. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Squeezing out the sides. And 1 more. Oh, knees down. Let's get some blood out of the head. Shake it out. Shoulder rolls. Take a drink of water. Whatever you need to do. Put on Back to the Future. I showed my son a few select scenes. Nothing too adult. So that's good. But we had a big discussion about time travel. I think I did pretty well. All right. Hey, Pigeon with sways. I've been doing sways And you don't want to miss the sways, my friends. Let me switch the cap. I think this warrants it. So come to your pigeon first, right leg back, or left knee back, right knee forward, sorry. You tell them a little, dazed. Have a class in the morning too, that's gonna be fun. All right, here's your pigeon. Here's your pigeon right here. You can stay here with this foot coming forward, sliding the leg back, hands down, forearms down, or add this sway. This has been taking the internet by storm. Take the hands out. Drop your shoulder down as you maintain the pigeon. Inhale, center. Oh, there you are. Exhale, other side. So you're getting this massive stretch down your shoulder blade, in your chest, in your arm. Oh, man. And a twist. I love twists. Open up the lower back. Get the blood moving. I turned 49 in a few weeks. Got to keep moving. Got to keep moving. And one more time. Hang out there as long as you like. Let me hit the AirPod on the mat. And then switch sides. Left leg forward, right leg back. I got it correct that time. Hooray, Coach Vigue. Let's get him a cake. Okay. I'm going to do this. You go ahead. Go ahead. You know, I'm here. I'm showing you things that I like to do, that I recommend. It's up to you if you want to do them. Thanks for doing them and responding. Pigeon with the sway. Swaying pigeon. Keeping an eye on Addie over there. People walk by and she's a little too interested sometimes. Oh man, that sparkles. One more time each side. I wore red so I pop a bit. I don't know if I am. I was told to pop is a good idea. All right, scorpion hold. Bring it down onto your stomachs. Number 5. How you feeling? Which one so far are you feeling it the most? Which one do you enjoy the most? Let me know in the comments below. Take the arms out to the sides, palms flat, bend the right leg. Press into the right hand, lift that foot up and over. Hold it. Walk this hand closer. Left arm getting a great stretch, opening up the abdominals, opening up the groin and hip. Hello, groin. Yeah, talk to them. Yeah, talk to the body parts. They know you're there. All right, other side. Bring it back to the center, my friends. Bend the left leg and then press into the left hand. There we are. So far, I've not gotten bit. I shouldn't say that. Last time I got a few on my armpit. It was worth it, but oh my. Wisconsin horseflies biting your armpit. It's the opposite of Christmas morning. Press. Something hovering. Watch, right when I finish filming, the sun will come out. Just watch. Oh, there's that scorpion, my friend. All right, back to the center. Let me give you an extra credit one here. While we're here, open up the back. We have cobra or upward facing dog. Drop the shoulders, great way to invigorate the back. Invigorate the chest, the breath, the arms, squeeze the glutes. Let me go forward a little bit. Just grow a little weary of putting my feet in this grass. You know, in Florida, they spray the heck out of it. So it's the spray that's gonna get you. Here, it's bugs. 2 more breaths. Oh, fantastic, my friends. Do it every morning, share it on. What did you think? I hope this helped. If you like that video, if you liked it, make sure you click that like button and you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. It helps me tremendously, my friends, to keep getting these Coach Vigue workouts out to as many people as possible. I think a happy society is a loose, balanced society, or it's a good start. And as always, Coach Vigue will see you around. Oh, I don't feel great. Oh. Let me just walk like this. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.